Butter is one of the most commonly used dairy products worldwide, valued for its rich taste, creamy texture, and versatility in cooking and baking. While traditional butter-making methods involve churning cream by hand, modern factories use highly sophisticated machinery and strict quality control measures to produce large quantities of butter efficiently. In this video, we will explore the step-by-step process of making unsalted butter in a factory, from milk collection to final packaging. Step 1. Milk collection and transportation. The butter-making process begins with the collection of fresh milk from dairy farms. Cows are milked using automated milking machines that ensure hygiene and efficiency. The raw milk is then transported to the factory in insulated tanker trucks to maintain freshness and prevent bacterial growth. Upon arrival, the milk undergoes stringent quality checks, including tests for temperature, bacterial contamination, and fat content, to ensure it meets the required standards for butter production. Step 2. Separation of cream from milk. Once the milk passes quality control, it is pumped into large storage tanks, where it is heated slightly to facilitate separation. The milk then enters a centrifugal separator, a high-speed spinning device that separates the cream from the skim milk. The separation process relies on the density difference between cream and skim milk, allowing the lighter fat particles to rise while the heavier liquid is removed. The separated cream, which contains a high percentage of butterfat, is collected for further processing, while the skim milk is either used for other dairy products or discarded. Step 3. Pasteurization of cream. Pasteurization is a critical step in butter production as it eliminates harmful bacteria and extends the shelf life of the final product. The collected cream is heated to approximately 85 degrees Celsius (185 degrees Fahrenheit) for about 15 seconds before being rapidly cooled. This process not only kills potential pathogens but also stabilizes the cream's fat globules, ensuring uniform consistency during churning. Step 4. Cream ripening, optional for flavor development. In some factories, the cream undergoes a ripening stage where beneficial bacterial cultures are added to enhance the flavor. This step is more common in the production of cultured butter rather than unsalted butter. However, even for unsalted butter, controlled aging of cream under refrigeration for a few hours can help develop a smoother texture and better consistency. Step 5. Churning the cream. Churning is the most crucial step in butter production. The cream is poured into large industrial churns or continuous butter-making machines, where it is agitated at high speeds. The mechanical action causes the fat globules in the cream to collide and clump together, separating from the buttermilk. During this process, the butter granules grow in size while the remaining liquid, known as buttermilk, is drained off. Factories ensure efficient buttermilk removal through multiple washing cycles to enhance the purity of the butter. Step 6. Washing and kneading the butter. After separation from buttermilk, the butter is washed with cold, purified water to remove any residual buttermilk, which helps prevent spoilage. The butter is then kneaded or worked mechanically to improve its texture, ensuring uniform consistency and proper moisture distribution. This kneading process also removes excess air and enhances the smoothness of the final product. Step 7. Standardization and quality control. At this stage, the butter undergoes standardization to meet specific fat content requirements. Since unsalted butter does not contain added salt, its moisture content must be precisely controlled to maintain its natural taste and quality. Samples from each batch are tested for texture, moisture levels, and microbiological safety. The butter is also evaluated for color and consistency to ensure uniformity across production lines. Step 8. Cooling and solidification. Once the butter reaches the desired consistency, it is cooled and solidified under controlled conditions. The butter is stored in refrigerated environments to maintain its firmness before being prepared for packaging. The cooling process prevents the formation of large fat crystals, which can affect texture and spreadability. Step 9. Packaging and wrapping. Butter is then transferred to automated packaging machines, which shape it into blocks, sticks, or tubs, depending on the intended market. Since unsalted butter has a shorter shelf life compared to salted butter, airtight packaging is crucial to prevent oxidation and maintain freshness. Most factories use foil, parchment paper, or vacuum-sealed containers to protect the butter from light, air, and moisture. Labels containing nutritional information, batch numbers, and expiration dates are applied to ensure traceability and consumer safety. Step 10. Cold storage and distribution. After packaging, the butter is stored in refrigerated warehouses before being distributed to retail stores, bakeries, and food manufacturers. Cold storage helps maintain the butter's quality during transportation. Delivery trucks equipped with refrigeration units ensure the butter reaches its destination without melting or spoiling. The industrial buttermaking process combines efficiency, hygiene, and quality control to produce high-quality unsalted butter. From milk collection to final packaging, each step is carefully monitored to ensure consistency and safety. This large-scale production method allows consumers to enjoy fresh, creamy butter that meets stringent food industry standards. Whether used in baking, cooking, or spreading on toast, factory-produced unsalted butter remains a staple ingredient in households and commercial kitchens worldwide. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the fascinating process of making unsalted butter in a factory. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Let us know in the comments what other food production processes you'd like us to explore. Stay tuned for more amazing videos, and until next time, happy cooking!